Alright YouTube, now we set up for get the first heat cycle out the way. Shake up my gas. First plug it in. It's gonna get it started on getting it filled up. Fill her up. Oh yeah, it's coming. Call it a day. I shouldn't need no more than that. Oh yeah. Suck up whatever I can back in there. There we go. Now let's see where we at. Turn the car on, turn the remote control on. Hit the power switch. Alright. Temperature of the motor right now, the engine is 71 degrees. So let's go and get it started. Wonder it's idle enough. Let's see. And while I'm doing that, can't do nothing if I ain't primed it. Okay, now gotta be shitting me. Well, that's a failed attempt, people. Failed attempt. Pull start. That a bitch. Fuck. All of that. Nothing. Well, we'll resume this another day. Alright, YouTube. Here we go, day 2. Yesterday I broke the damn pull start, trying to start it up, so let's see what we get out of this one. I repaired the pull start. I think I'm gonna just end up, if I have a problem with it again, I'm gonna replace it. Should have replaced it last night, but didn't feel like putting the outer words on the new pull start. I just cut the cord and did some more to it, so let's go and fill her back up. That ought to be enough to do a few cycles. Just trying to get some heat cycles in. Gotta go to work in a minute, so don't have time to do the full break-in, be done by the weekend. If I get through the heat cycle, so let's see. If I get to the heat cycles from the look of things. Alright, let's prime it. Okay, now alright people, this is Lead RC. I know I was supposed to did this, I plan on having it ready for you all this weekend. I basically ran into an issue to where I just couldn't get the damn thing to start. So, let me go over a few things. I took my coil out, put a different coil in, different MSD plug. I was thinking it was my other plug. Tore that thing apart, redid a different coil on it, re-gapped the damn thing. I did everything you could think of. I even went through my wires, made sure all my wires was good. Come to find out, damn kill switch. This piece, the kill switch connector, it's not making a good contact. It's not going in as far as my other one does. So basically, I ran into a kill switch issue. I did a whole shitload of work. I really didn't have time to really be messing with the car, but I did a shitload of work on it, and I got nowhere until pretty much tonight when I yanked the kill switch off, resoldered my kill switch button back on to normal, pulled on it. See, am I connected? Let's get now. Okay. Basically, pull on it now. Got it cranking. So we started, we're ready to go now. Basically, kill switch people. Fucking kill switch. I show you in other videos where everything was a fail. And basically, diagnose it, like I said, I re-gapped it, put a whole different coil on her with a whole different MSD plug. Remember, my other MSD plug is red. This one's not, this is my black one. And basically, so now I gotta order another MSD plug and redo the coil like I wanted it to. And I'm gonna get a different kill switch, wire. Shit happens. It is what it is. I figured something like that was going on. I just didn't truly have the time to sit here and mess with it. But now, we ready to go. So I'll probably do some heat cycles in the morning, run a video. And I have a full break-in video and everything going on. I just want to make sure I got everything together before I get this bad boy and start trying to break in everything and see what's going on. So, gotta get another kill switch. Other than that's no big deal. It is what it is. Shit happens. Just wanted to make sure I didn't have anything wrong with my engine, but as long as that thing turned and everything, got the compression, got the pop, got the brop. Lead RC out.